Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about a token that was brought to my attention again from the Telegram group. But this token has a lot of potential in my opinion, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit about why I think Citizen Finance could have major potential in this market if we shall see a run like the one we've been having continue. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and if you want to get into my Telegram group, the Everything Currency Mastermind group, we are accepting new members up until Friday. It is free to get in. Leave me a comment in the comment box and I'll get you the link as soon as I can. But after Friday, that's it. That's the team that we're rocking for until the end of the year, and we're gonna get this money together. So if you're excited about that, I already said if you're excited about that, let's just get into Citizen Finance right now. So looking at Citizen Finance right here on CoinGecko. So Citizen Finance is at $57.74 as of recording this video. The market cap is at $9.1 million with a total max supply of 500,000 tokens. It is a low supply coin. Usually low supply coins have a high dollar value, but circulating supply right now is 159,000, not million, 159,000 tokens. If you wanted to buy this token, you got to go over to PancakeSwap. That's where all the liquidity is at, and the all-time high happened yesterday. It was $68, about $10 where it is from right now. So over the past 30 days, this token has been doing pretty well. It's around the time that I got in, maybe 2-3 weeks ago, from when I first mentioned this video on the channel. But looking into the website, what is Citizen Finance? Coming into the website, it says next generation NFT utilities, and when they say NFT utilities, they really mean it. This Citizen Finance is tackling all of the utilities that NFTs are trying to offer in a multi-chain ecosystem. That is dope. So it's available on Binance Smart Chain, Polygon Network, and it is built, to play. There's a play to earn mechanisms. You can trade NFTs. They got that coming on here. They got staking of unused NFTs and stuff like that. Staking pools for NFTs. That's pretty nice. They also have using NFTs as collateral, because anything that is valuable could probably be used as collateral somewhere. So let's start to check out what's going on with these different things that they say they have going on with this ecosystem. Now coming down, they says multi-chain application ecosystem. These are some of the applications that they have going on already on top of their ecosystem, and let's talk about the most popular one, the biggest one, the one that most people are excited about. That is the Meadowlands game right here. Now Meadowlands is a first-person shooter on the blockchain, play to earn battle for Cifi token. This is the first time I've seen this happen, for you to actually play something fun, because a lot of these play to earn games are not fun. Let's be real, they're not fun. But to play something fun like a first person shooter would be fun, and also if you can earn tokens and not have to pay a bunch of fees for it, that is actually pretty dope. Now you can sign up for early access of this. Just come to the website meadowlands.gg. It's coming to Steam, and it's going to be available on PC and mobile. Couple interesting things going on with this game is that all of the items that you see this guy's wearing and stuff like that, they're all going to be NFTs. So if I have this knife or this jacket or something, that could be an NFT, and only I'll have that jacket. Maybe there'll be a limited edition of those, and if anybody else wants it, they could either borrow it off me, or they'll have to trade me for it, or buy it off me. So that's actually pretty cool to see that right there. But some other interesting things going on with this game are right here. They tweeted from the Meadowlands Twitter. It says, cross-chain, what about cross-game? NFT gives player full digital ownership of in-game assets, and it can be more. Technology is advancing rapidly that crossing assets from one game to another is gradually becoming a reality. Meadowlands aims to work more on cross gaming. That is pretty dope. Now cross gaming, when I learned about NFTs, was like my big aha moment for NFTs, because I was thinking like this, like if I could have taken my gun off of Fortnite and use it in Call of Duty or vice versa or whatever, this is actually huge. Like, this is something that could be the future of gaming, like, for sure. You know what I mean? Like, in a racing game, it could just be like something crazy where I just got like my Super Mario Kart character racing against somebody in Need for Speed. I don't know, this is probably thinking way ahead in the future, but that just sounds cool, right? So having some cross gaming ecosystem, at least the games in that ecosystem could cross assets through NFTs. Like, NFTs allows that to be possible with gaming, and that's why I think, hey, you know, Meadowlands actually going after that directly, saying, hey, you know what, come here and build some games and then we'll connect them to this cross gaming ecosystem, is actually pretty dope. So I wanted to share this right here. Somebody posted it in the Telegram group. Shout out to Jam said, I'm probably saying that wrong, but this guy is the one who's been giving us a lot of information on Cifi, and it says, yes, aside from Meadowlands, we're developing other games to go along with the Meadowlands story. So that is pretty dope to see right there. They got other things going on with that story, and that is just one piece of citizen finance. They also got something pretty interesting called Cifi Power. Now, what Cifi Power is basically a place where you can trade NFTs, showcase NFTs, buy NFTs. They have a marketplace, they have a dashboard, everything you need to kind of sell and trade NFTs. You can come over here. Now, with the whole issue of OpenSea having all their problems that you can see a lot of influencers talking about today, this is something that is actually pretty much needed. More ways for people to curate and trade, buy and sell NFTs. This is a marketplace right there it's an art marketplace only for art. Now, that is also pretty useful. Another thing going along with citizen finance is the Santa Fe decentralized lending and staking protocol on Binance Smart Chain. Now, Santa Fe is one of the most interesting things going on with this token, and one of the most things that I'm excited about going along with this token, because it's the next generation based NFT utilities for decentralized finance, staking, and gamification. For those who don't know, like, now when you use Uniswap and you provide liquidity, you are issued NFTs. You're not issued liquidity tokens anymore, because those tokens are unique to you. They're non-fungible. You can't just trade them, right? So right here you have tokenized assets, which for me, it's going to be the biggest thing in NFTs, right? When I'm able to tokenize my car and I have my car ownership, you know, in my wallet, it's going to be an NFT. When I tokenize a house or anything valuable or anything like that, that's going to be tokenizing NFTs. We're going to need platforms, secure ones, to do that. We have yield farming coming, borderless banking. So I'm guessing, like, you know, not guessing, but lending, borrowing, NFTs and stuff like that. Game finance, in-game finance is going to be huge. If you have this ecosystem of people trading billions of dollars in-game, you're going to need some type of structure and backbone for all of that. So the borderless banking is like, hey, you got the collateral NFTs, you can borrow money, you know. So, and you don't need a bank to tell you, like, hey, Jay, you don't have enough money to do this or to do that. You're like, no, yes, I do. You know, they have the multi-chain AMM. This is something that we need. This word right here, multi-chain, is going to be a buzzword for the next couple months. I guarantee you. There's too many platforms popping up, so multi-chain is going to be a buzzword coming up real soon in this cryptocurrency thing. So just keep that in mind. Side note. But you got secured and transparent NFT staking on the protocol with a lottery mechanism. You got NFTs as a financial service, bond issuer, tokenized assets, marketplace, cross-chain, etc. It's a community-owned project. The token goes and covers fees, item purchases, forging NFTs, meaning like taking two NFTs, creating a new NFT, derivative contracts, assets, tokenization, and lending. So the Cifi token actually has a lot going on with that token. So right here, somebody actually posted, hey, look, this is what's going to be going on with the Cifi token just for Meadowlands. You got the marketplace, you got the skin creation, it's an in-game currency, you got the loot box, and then you have ads going on for in-game. Now, if a lot of people are spending time inside this game selling in-game billboards and stuff like that, it's going to be a profitable business, you know. So having that all run on the same token is pretty cool to see right there. So a bunch of cool things going on with this project. Now I can go on for, you know, probably another 30 minutes with things that are going on with this project, but I just wanted to, you know, put a bunch of information on your table so you can go ahead and do your own research on Cifi and see if it's something that you might be interested in, and then let me know in the comment box what you guys really feel about it so I can go ahead and check myself. You get what I'm saying? And then so coming down, let's look a little bit more at the token. They had 20% in the token sale, liquidity, the team, and 60% of it's going to be given away in mining. Now, what's also pretty cool is they have, to create more value for the Cifi token, Citizen Finance will carry out monthly buybacks using 20% of profit from the in-game store. So 20% of the profit from the in-game store will be used. 50% of Cifi will be bought and used as incentives for holders, and 50% will be used for creators' incentives on the POWX system, or yeah, that system. Then you have also, this is the use of the token in more detail right here. I already talked about it. Payments for the in-game mechanisms, payments for the marketplace, auctions for NFTs, publisher for in-game ads, a bunch of stuff like that. Distribution of treasury funds goes 1% to the developer wallet, 2% to the voluntary developers, and there's a 2% reward feed reward pool for probably hackathons and stuff like that. So there is a bunch of things going on with Citizen Finance. Please do your own research. There is cross gaming, which is one of the biggest things in NFTs that I'm excited about, with things like bringing your guns over, bringing your skins over and stuff like that. There's going to be the marketplace, the Santa Fe marketplace. There's one more thing that I wanted to talk to you about the Santa Fe marketplace, and it's right here. It says Santa Fe's mission is to provide financial censorship resistant services to everyone. Tokenized assets will utilize NFT as a financial service to make it possible for everyone to invest in low risk assets. Current real estate and bond investment industry is designed to favor the rich, this is the safest market, right? Bonds, government bonds, pretty safe, you know, if your yield is okay. And then real estate, pretty safe. People are always going to need a house, right? So government's always going to be around. People are always going to need a house. But as, you know, not being somebody who has $10 million to invest into like a commercial real estate business or something like that. I don't know how much it costs, but I'm just saying it seems like it's hard to do. Seems like it's going to take a lot of money. It's like the next level up in investing, getting into like commercial real estate and stuff like that. But Santa Fe will partner with real estate companies as a blockchain arm to utilize their license to offer securities while processing its own license. That's pretty dope. And with Santa Fe, users can have fractional ownership of real estate as NFTs. This is going to be a pretty interesting future for sure. So shout out to Jamseed again for letting us know about Citizen Finance. He put all of us on to Citizen Finance today. So let me know what you guys think about this token. $9 million, and they have very ambitious goals. So that is what I like to see. You know, low market cap, ambitious goals, low token supply. Let's get it. So like and subscribe, turn on those post notifications. RIP to crypto roots. Think positive, and positive things will happen. Till next time, peace.